Denied for a loan you never applied for. Blocked from a job over a mistake you didn't make. One error on your credit report can change your life, and not for the better. Credit report errors affect everything: housing, employment, interest rates, and your financial future. But you're not powerless. The Fair Credit Reporting Act gives you the legal right to fight back. In this video, we will learn your consumer rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Disclaimer: the information in our videos are for general educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Every situation is unique, and viewers are encouraged to do their own research before taking any course of action. Always consult with a qualified attorney before making any legal decisions. There are several credit reporting errors, but the most common ones are incorrect balances or payment history, duplicate or outdated accounts, fraudulent accounts from identity theft, and accounts that simply don't belong to you. These errors often come from banks or debt collectors, and they get passed to the credit bureaus without checking for accuracy. If these errors happen to you, you have the legal right to do the following under the FCRA. Get your credit reports from all 3 bureaus at annualcreditreport.com. Write a dispute letter explaining the error. Include proof like statements or ID. The credit bureau has 30 days to investigate and respond. That if they don't fix it, that's a violation, and that's where we come in. You may be able to sue if the bureau mixes your file with someone else's, fraudulent accounts remain after identity theft, your dispute is ignored, or your report is pulled without your permission. Errors like these can cost you thousands, but you may be entitled to compensation for financial loss, emotional distress, or even punitive damages. Our credit dispute lawyers have handled thousands of cases across Florida, Vermont, and Washington, D.C. We'll investigate, dispute, and if needed, sue the credit bureaus and furnishers who refuse to fix your report.
How long do bureaus have to respond to a dispute?
30 days or 45 days if you send more documents.
Can I sue both the bureau and the lender?
Absolutely. Both can be liable.
What can I recover?
Actual damages, emotional harm, legal fees, even punitive damages for willful violations. If your credit report contains false information, don't wait. Visit us at FCRA for a free case review. We'll fight to get your report fixed fast.